Hey everyone, today I'm diving deep into a topic that's close to my heart and central to Reformed theology. We do not believe in order to be born again. We are born again in order that we may believe. Now let's pause and really let that sink in. So often we think our belief is what initiates our spiritual rebirth. But in Reformed theology, it's actually the other way around. Our ability to believe is a result of being born again. Imagine this. You're in a dark room, unable to see anything. You know there's light out there, but you can't find the switch. Then someone walks in and turns on the light for you. Suddenly you can see everything clearly. That's what it's like to be born again. God flips the switch. In John 3:3, Jesus tells Nicodemus, "Truly, truly, I say to you, unless one is born again, he cannot see the kingdom of God." Notice how Jesus emphasizes the necessity of being born again before we can even perceive the kingdom. It's not our doing, it's a divine act. This understanding brings about a profound humility. We recognize that our faith isn't something we conjure up, it's a gift from God. Ephesians 2:8-9 states, "For by grace you have been saved through faith. And this is not your own doing, it is the gift of God, not a result of works so that no one may boast." Our belief is a direct consequence of God's grace. When we grasp this, it changes everything. Our spiritual journey isn't about striving to believe harder or better. It's about surrendering to God's transformative work in us. Think about it like planting a seed. The seed doesn't force itself to grow. It needs sunlight, water, and nutrients to sprout. Similarly, we need God's intervention to awaken our faith. Without His divine touch, our hearts remain dormant. This concept also underscores the miraculous nature of our faith. Being born again isn't a mere change in perspective. It's a radical transformation, akin to moving from death to life. In Ezekiel 36:26, God promises, "I will give you a new heart and put a new spirit in you. I will remove from you your heart of stone and give you a heart of flesh." It's God's initiative, His action, that breathes life into us. Understanding this helps us to rely entirely on God. Rather than trying to muster up belief on our own, we can rest in the assurance that He's already at work within us. Our role is to respond to His call, to embrace the new life He offers. So if you ever find yourself doubting your faith or wondering if it's enough, remember this: your belief is a testament to God's prior action. He made the first move by bringing you to life spiritually. You believe because you've been born again. This perspective shifts our focus from self-effort to divine grace. It's not about earning our way to God, but recognizing that He's already reached out to us. And that, my friends, is truly liberating. Thanks for joining me on this spiritual journey today. Remember, it's God who initiates and we simply respond. Stay blessed and keep seeking His truth. Take care.